Unreleased mastery. Probably never go drop. Quick little view. Crybaby. I need to upgrade my hat collection for real. I got a couple hats. That's thrifted, fitted hat, Sex Records, chrome hat, and that's I got this from a flea market. Shit hard as fuck. Now look at all these clothes I got, bro. I got too much fucking clothes for my closet. What I need to do is get rid of some of this shit, but I don't know how to get rid of this shit. So much clothes. Y'all hear that? It's that type of day. Let me show y'all some unreleased stuff from our brand. If y'all want to go support, brand is Mansory.us. That's MNSRY.us. Feel me? These unreleased yet. We still haven't dropped this. This T. Welcome to the shit show with this dressing on it. And this, but this might not even drop. That's just something that we made just to make. And today I really didn't have nothing planned. That's why I'm black as fuck. That's why I just went and picked up the camera. Just show y'all my little Sunday reset, you know. Already did my laundry. Let me show y'all that. Already did my laundry. All these clothes is washed. Yo, I gotta be a hoarder. It's not even a hoarder, but it's just like I got so much clothes, gang, for this closet. As y'all can see, this closet is small as shit. Barely any space. Mastery. I'm finna post these Instagram pictures. This is my little tripod setup, don't mind. These are the pics. Follow the gram. It's my Instagram. Make sure y'all boys follow me. Just post it. Yes. Some calm shit. Y'all boys go follow me. Y'all boys go show some love. Now, what I'm finna do, I'm about to take this off my head first of all. That's what we gotta do. Let's go to the bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom and do that. Alright. Now we're in the bathroom. It's kinda Ayo, ain't it? Hey, fuck it. Y'all my niggas, y'all my family. I'll set this up somewhere. Y'all my niggas, so it ain't Ayo. I need, oh, perfect. Yeah, you can't even see me. Y'all hear that though? How it's raining and shit. That's what I gotta deal with. This is definitely sleep weather, but I can't sleep because I gotta stay productive. Let's go YouTube. It's like, nah. Now what I really need to do is put the wide angle lens on this. It's in the car, but I'm not going out there right now since it's raining and shit, so I'll get that next vid. This up here. Don't fall. See, now I don't got the wide angle lens, my head is cut off, bro. So what I might just have to do is bend over like this, I guess. Let me take this off though. See, I don't know, I got freeforms. And, oh, hell no. Got a little mark. I got freeform dreads. That's how I wear my shit. I really don't like my hair in my face, so I kinda wear that cap and shit to stick it up. Or stick the middle up. Cause I just hate how it be all in my face and shit. But sometimes this bitch be going left. Come on, bitch, stand up. And I'm in need of a cut, holy shit. Shit, I gotta pick. And this shit about to overheat. All these athletes turn rappers, man. These niggas bored. Alright. It's out right now. I just hate when this shit drop though, bro. Damn, I'm in need of a cut, man. So tell me why I was going to edit, right? And I got this little like SD card holder, whatever this shit called, right? And my dumb ass forgot. I had an iPhone 17, which has the, you see that? Type-C port. So, when I went to put this shit in there, you see this motherfucker? That bitch don't go. And then I had an adapter, but I literally threw it away. So, nice one. Nice one. Now I'm gonna have to figure some shit out. I got my other phone. I might have to edit the video off of that phone. I could use the PC, but I don't want to sit down and edit. I'd rather lay down and edit off my phone. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure some shit out. I just had to bring that up.